Nicole Scott from Mobile Geeks, and here we are at the Avision headquarters in Hsinchu in Taiwan. So these guys are pretty well known for making a bunch of different kinds of scanners and printers. So if you've ever wondered how a gadget like this gets on the market through all of its testings, I get a little bit of behind the scenes to check out some of the drop tests and shake tests and electromagnetic tests that go on. So why don't we head down the hall and check it all out. So here we have a scanner, and basically every electronic device will put off an electromagnetic radio frequency. So what we have going on here is these two antennas will move up and down in this isolation room. Won't be doing it while I'm here because I'd like to avoid that kind of radiation. But basically these are going to move up and down, and then this table is going to spin around. Right, so any U.S. product is going to have to receive a FCC certification for radio frequency safety. So it's basically when the components talk to each other, they're going to emit a radio bandwidth, I guess. So this is just making sure that they're going to pass. So I thought this was kind of neat because the table moves, the scanner's making sounds, and those remind me of the holodeck. So carrying on in the scanner drop test safety area, so this is where you would put the scanner, then it would go all the way up there, then they would drop it. Also in this room, there's the guys on the tour, hi guys! Alright, so also in this room is a vibration test. So basically they're going to put the scanner on there and they're going to jiggle it around in that box because they want to know if it's going to break by the time they get there. So have you guys ever run your feet across the carpet and then touched something and given someone a shock? Well, this little gun here is actually simulating an electromagnetic static charge? An electrostatic discharge. So essentially, if you were to run your feet across a carpet and then touch this machine, this basically makes sure the machine isn't going to break. So if I were to put my finger on the end of that gun, I would get quite a little shock. So I don't know about you, but being from Canada, once I left my PDA in my car and it was minus 15 outside, and then the PDA never really worked quite properly. Well, so this is a room that actually simulates different temperatures. So right now it's about 17.5, I think that's what it said out here. You can go back and check. So you can actually adjust the temperature on the outside and the humidity as well, so that you can test your devices in various climates. So let's head in.
Minus 20 to go up to 65.
Okay.
Celsius. And working conditions from 5 degrees to 35 degrees.
5 degrees Celsius.
So that's just been a sneak peek behind the scenes here at Avision. I'm your host, Nicole Scott from Mobile Geeks. If you haven't already, please subscribe to our channel, and while you're at it, why don't you like this video?